I pozdrav svima, evo nas ponovo i u stvari prvi put, ovo mi je prvi klip i snimamo ti je Darkness 2. Dobre, Darkness 2. Vrlo dobro igrica. I pa idemo Nevgej. Okej. To. Ovo je nekako tako bude, idemo yes. Evo, čekamo da se čita, sad ću
Okay, you know how this story starts. In the beginning, there wasn't shit. Literally, nothing but void and darkness. And that's how the darkness liked it. It wasn't until God decreed turn on the lights that things got nasty. Started out small. A planet here, a sun there, you know, next thing you know, there were humans and cows and then stuff running all over the place. Needless to say, the darkness was pissed. From then till now, the darkness tore its way through the world, inhabiting one human host after another, each thinking that they were its...
Prva misija, a može da se pomota, nema veze. Pomotali smo to.
Right around the time he died, my father said to me, he said, Jackie, you can't outrun your fate, but you sure as hell gotta try. I didn't really know what he meant back then. See, there was something inside me. Something terrible. Waiting to get out. And when it did, it made me watch the only thing I ever cared about. Get her brains blown out right in front of me. Then it gave me the power to make things right. The kind of stuff you only see in your worst nightmares. The killing only made it stronger. Harder to control. Eventually, I found a way to bury it. But ever since, it's been trying to get back out. It calls itself the Darkness.
Evo nas ljudi igre, sad ćemo da uđemo unutra.
Jackie, it's good to see you. Come on in.
Hiya, Vinny. How's the family?
Which one?
Hey, Jackie, check out the rack on the brunette to your right. No, your other right.
That's his left, dipshit. Hey, Jackie, check it out. They put up a picture of your dad. He was a good man, your father. Good man. Well, look, this ain't no time to be depressed. Come on, boss. They got your usual tape.
Čekajte ljudi. Da stavimo ovdje nešto.
Table ready.
We waited an hour for this.
The twins are waiting for you.
Terrific.
Hey there. Hey, yo, Paul, I got you them tickets to the game. My treat. All right, take care. Joey, what's what? Oh, Mr. Galvani, nice to have you back in town.
This ravioli's too spicy. I can't taste the flavor.
Oh, Billy, how you doing?
Well, I'd like to see what you...
Not bad.
Hey, waiter, where's
Not bad.
Hey, waiter. I'll take this to go.
Sure thing, Mr. Swifty.
Chop, chop! I gotta run! Let's
Oh,
move!
sorry about that, Gaston.
that girl? Love this. I think I used to know.
Here you go, boss.
Well, I'd like to see what you...
Thank you. Ja sam
Bon
boss,
appetit.
to se zna za ovaj kraj.
Hi, Jackie. Remember us from the Candy Club? Well, do you? Sure
Ja
he
mislim da će
does.
sad on ide na
Trust me,
garant na
ladies.
kombi.
I wish I
kroz ovo
did.
će da prođu. Get shot!
Shit! Jackie, get down!
Darkness 2, dobre. Da će valjda neko pucanje, tepanje, svaštene.
Jackie, you stay with me now. Oh, shit, look at his leg.
Vinny, what do we do?
You guys take point. I'm gonna pull Jackie out back. Jackie, listen to me. I'm gonna pull you out back, but you gotta take this.
Daj
Get these guys off our ass.
Finish! I'm gonna slaughter these pigs! I got it! Hear me?
Come to the dark.
Shoot the fucker!
Die, you fucking bitch! Bobby svinje. Bobby svinje.
You okay?
Bobby jebem.
I said it was too spicy. Too spicy.
Who the hell are you? You piece of shit! You shouldn't even have to be here! Motherfuckers!
Hold on, Jackie. Here come the stairs.
Estaccado's over! I got the prick!
Christ.
Richie! Watch your back!
Oh yeah.
Hold on a sec. Hold on. Gotta catch my breath. Oh, you gotta give me a second, Jackie. I ain't been to the gym in weeks.
Over there! Behind the bar!
Yeah, boss.
Christ! Keep them off our backs!
You're dead, asshole!
Doggy, amo. Doggy.
Going out there!
Doggy.
My boss, listen to me. I can see the kitchen from here. We can make a break for it, but you gotta take both pieces so I can lift you up. All right.
Who put out the lights? Dead!
Almost there.
Looks like you lost. Oh! Okay!
Oh, Jesus. I smell gas.
Hurry up,
Dai,
Benny!
požuri, ajde.
They're in there! That does
Moj, koliko sad?
Give me a lighter. Burn in hell, Estacado!
Pogrešila, skodrla.
Use my power or die!
Never. Never again, you son of a bitch!
I am your salvation. Stronger than his father. Keep pushing him.
Still breathing, huh, motherfucker? Come on, come over here. I got something for you.
Embrace the darkness, Jackie. I'm free!
Uje, bosse.
Oh! Fuck! What the hell is that? Holy shit, it's the devil!
Bobby govna. Bobby. O, jedan, dva.
No!
Dobre, noga.
Jackie?
What the fuck just happened, Benny? Who hit us?
I don't know, boss. I don't know.
Where'd that piece of shit go?
Nah, they headed down the alley. The rest of our crew's out front, so you can meet up with them on the street. I'll be right there. I just need to get my wind back. Give 'em hell, Jackie. The rest of the guys are out on the street, boss. Head down the alley and meet up with them.
Fuck me! That ain't holy! Hit your ass with pies!
Oh, ljudi, šta sam
Screw
uradio?
you, Jackie!
Ajde, izađi.
Oh, I love this song. Come on.
What the hell? Jenny? Hey, wait!
Lies!
Yeah, something happened. I don't know, a big explosion. They probably heard it in Kansas.
Ljudi, to je to
The
što se
whole
tiče ove
place smells like
epizode,
gas. I think we opened up a main.
uskoro i
They could go up
vidimo
any
se. Ćao!
second. Don't worry. Estacaro's dead.